Hello, so let's explore this app which is called Widgetshare. So let's just install it on iPhone. The size is just 39 megabytes, so you can just use your Face ID or Touch ID to install. So this app is kind of similar to Locket Widget app or Noted Drawing app for couples, where you can make your home screen special and add just these widgets and send photos to your partner or to your friend. You can now install widgets on iPhone or iPad, but I think it requires at least iOS 13, which is already pretty old iOS, but still you need to install it, and then you just will be able to install this Widgetshare widgets and send photos to your friends, and these photos will appear instantly on the widget. So now you just need to add a new widget. So create new widget. So widget 1, I don't know, I never used this app. Take a picture with the camera, add image from your gallery. So then I can just give access to my camera. Here it is. I can just use the photo and then I can just send. Share this widget ID with your friends. So this is the widget ID. I can copy, I can share, or I can just do that. But now let's just try to, so here is Noted widget, and now let's just add Widgetshare. So there you have it. Now you have 3 types, 3 sizes of widgets. I just want to add this one. And then, there you have it, edit widget. I can see, so here is the widget. I can add this widget. And now I have this photo displayed here. So as you can see, this is basically the idea. And then if I have this widget, I can again update this widget, and then so your friends can just add it. So again, if I do another photo, for example, and I use that, and then I just tap send, these photos should be updated on the widget, but of course your friends should have that. So now as you can see, this photo is now updated. I'm just not sure how to exactly add this widget. So if I want to add Friends Widget, there you have it. Then I just need to have widget name or widget ID. And then basically that works. So I'll just go to my widget, this widget and widget ID. I copy it, I share it to my friends. They add a Friends Widget, and then they will be able to see your pictures. So there you have it. Here you can see also some overview how to share widget. Create a new widget. On the main screen, click the plus button, then create new widget. When the widget is created, you will begin the widget ID. Send the widget ID to your friend. Your friend should add the widget ID to their app. On the main screen, click the plus button, then add Friends Widget. You can now both send pictures to the same widget. Every widget has a unique 20-character sequence called the widget ID. The widget ID allows the widgets to be shared between devices. Anyone who adds the widget ID to their app can see and send pictures to the widget. So to add a widget to your home screen, just long press on your home screen. On Android, click the widgets button. On iOS, click the plus icon in the top left. So that's cool because this app is really available on Android and on iPhone, because Locket Widget or Noted Drawing app for couples, they are only available on App Store on iOS and not on Android. Notification must be enabled to send your widgets real-time updates. Without notification, you must open the app to refresh your widgets. On iOS, battery optimized might delay widget updates. try keeping the app open in the background. So yeah, if you have a new notification, then you'll just go there and it will update the widget, I guess, or something like that. Because yeah, if you have if you're in a battery saving mode, as I am right now on iOS, then it might delay the background widget update or something like that. So that can be an issue. The history saves your 40 most recent images for you to look back at. You can also reorder your widget list. The main screen also displays a list of your widget. You can delete a widget. Deleting a widget only removes the ID from your device. Other users will still be able to edit, view, and share the widget. Anyone who has the widget ID can see the widget. You should not share images with shared information. So this is very extensive, extensive knowledge base. So you can basically see all of that. Here's my history. I can delete some of the photos from the history. That's good. I don't know if by deleting the photo, it will also be removed just from the app completely. And again, I can just create a new widget, edit a name, and then just get photos from the gallery or from the camera. So it's kind of like a competitor to Locket Widget app, but in Locket Widget app, you can only send photos from the camera. You can't give access to camera roll or to upload images. So in this app, you can really upload images from gallery, which is super cool. Also, there is another app if you like this concept, which is called Noted. So one of the apps to try in this space is Locket Widget, which you can see is number 3 in social networking. So it's the same concept where you can just send these live images to each other. And then other app is called Noted drawing app for couples. So the main difference is that Noted app is just you draw notes. So you can't upload images, you can't take pictures. So you just draw something like this. You can just draw good morning and send to your partner or to your colleague or something like that. And then there is this app which is called Widgetshare, where you can upload photos or tag photos. So these are 3 options. If you want to surprise your friend or your partner, your loved one, someone from your family, you can try to use these apps. So that's the idea. You can also just share the photo just by tapping share. I don't know why the delete icon doesn't work for me. Also, I just want to download the photo. It doesn't work sometimes. But yeah, as you can see, the design is super clean. It's very, that's how it works. Then there is the widget. I can also, again, just tap to delete the widget. And delete widget, this will remove the widget from your device. So if you think you shared some sensitive information or you don't want anyone to have access to this widget, then yeah, you can just delete this, because basically right now anyone who has this ID can add this widget and can see this picture. So I just created just for the demo for this video. So overall, this is the idea. Super interesting app, and definitely you need to try it out to surprise your friends, to have more fun. And again, it's available on Android as well, so that's a cool feature, because they have what to do if your friend has Android phone and you're using iPhone. Then, like for example, Locket Widget or Noted Widget won't be working, but this widget will work. Also, Widgetshare, it has like 3 widget sizes. As you can see, there is a small widget, medium and large. So that's already pretty cool. So you can have a picture of your friend going through the whole screen. So also like Locket Widget Noted also don't have that at this moment. And the other cool feature of Widgetshare, because you can create just one widget and then you can say like, okay, I want to this specific friend to copy this widget ID. and other friend I want to have another widget. So this way you can send different pictures to different friends. While in Locket Widget there was an issue, you were not able to send different pictures to different people. Now it is solved, but it was an issue for a while. While in Widgetshare you can just create a separate widget, like for example you can say this like for friend Jack or anything, and then just create this widget and then send only pictures here. Then you can create other widgets like friend Jan or anything, and then send specific pictures to that. And that's much better than sending the same pictures to everyone. So that's already, so you can kind of, by creating different widgets, you create different groups of friends. So I think this app is actually pretty advanced. Maybe on the first, for me, it doesn't feel that, intuitive with these widgets. It's like kind of course, it's super simple to use, but feels a bit more like technical or so. Like in Locket Widget, you can just go and just send a widget and create. So for example, this is how Locket Widget app looks like. Also, you have an account there and all of that. In Widgetshare, you don't even need to create an account or like to add your friends or anything like that. So here's just it is. So maybe it also applies for Widgetshare that you can instantly just start sharing the widgets without to create an account and spend your time on that. So other than that, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this quick preview. I really like the app. I think it has a great potential. So definitely give it a try and surprise your friends.